Welcome friends, I am Dr. V.K. Chauhan, homeopathic physician. Revise with me homeopathic remedy Caladium sanguinum. This is part 6, Allen's PQR review with reversed Kent repertory, and this is good for BHMS students and interns. First PQR is very sensitive to noise. Slight noise startles from sleep, and we see the sleep section under reverse Kent repertory. We find this symptom as second grade representation: sleeplessness, noise from slight, sleep, waking noise from slight. We go to PQR2, eructations frequent of very little wind as if stomach were full of dry food, and we go to the stomach section, stomach eructations ineffectual and incomplete. Third grade representation we have. Second grade representation is stomach eructations empty. PQR3 from Allen's, impotence with mental depression, relaxed penis with sexual desire and excitement. We see in mind section, mind sadness, mental depression. Third grade representation, mind lasciviousness, lustful. Second grade representation, and then genitalias, male, we find erections, wanting, impotency is a first grade representation here. Genitalia male, again erection, wanting, penis relaxed when excited. This is also a first grade remedy representation. Genitalia male, erection incomplete is second grade representation. PQR4, no erection even after carcass, no emission, no orgasm during an embrace. No suitable corresponding rubric could be found in Kent's reverse repertory. PQR5 tells us about pruritus vaginae, induces onanism during pregnancy with mucus discharge. We find under genitalia female itching vagina, first grade. Genitalia female itching vagina, pregnancy during, second grade representation. Genitalia female itching vagina, volumptuous, second grade representation. Genitalia female menstruation, disposition, second grade representation. And genitalia female itching, first grade remedy representation is there. Genitalia female itching, pregnancy during, second grade representation. Let us see PQR6, falls asleep during evening fever and wakes up when it stops. We go to the sleep section, sleep, falling asleep, heat during, first grade representation what we find here. Sleep, sleepiness, heat during the, again this is also a first grade remedy representation under Kent. PQR7, sweat attracts flies. We go to the perspiration section, and here we find perspiration, odor, sweetish, second grade remedy representation. PQR8 tells us about mosquito and insect bites, burn and itch intensely. We go to the skin section in reverse Kent repertory, and skin, stings of insect is a second grade representation here. Skin itching, burning, second grade representation we have here. Skin biting we have second grade representation. Skin burning is a third grade remedy representation, and skin burning scratching after is also a third grade remedy representation, what we see here. PQR 9 tells us about aversion to motion, dreads to move, and we see generalities, motion aversion to first grade representation. PQR 10 tells us about distress, craving for tobacco. We go to the generalities section and we find tobacco aggravates. Second grade remedy representation we have. Generalities, tobacco smoking when breaking off is there, but it is in the third grade remedy representation for the same. Thank you very much, friends, for your patient listening.